Hello guys, today I will show you how to get coins on FIFA Mobile. So there are 10 ways how to do it and I will show you in a few seconds. So first method is from playing matches. If you play matches even on campaign mode or live events, you will be able to earn coins. Second method is attack mode. So you will need to participate in the attack mode matches against other players to earn coins based on your performance. Number 3. Season rewards. At the end of each season, you will receive coins based on your performance in the season's activities. Number 4 is league versus league matches. If you are part of a league, participating in level matches and winning them will reward you with coins and other bonuses. Number 5. Completing daily activities and achievements. FIFA Mobile often provides daily activities and achievements that offer coins as rewards. Make sure to check and complete them every day. Number 6 is market trading. So you can buy players low on the market and sell them high to make a profit. Number 7. Special events. During special events like Team of the Week or Team of the Season and others, you can earn coins by completing event-specific challenges. Number 8 is completing plans. So FIFA Mobile has various plans that allow you to exchange certain player cards or items for coins. Number 9 is from ads and daily login rewards from this tab. So this is the tutorial guys. Hope that this video will help you and we will see next time.